What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin and this is Jasmine.
Hello.
And today we are going to do the blind deaf baking challenge.
Is this a challenge?
We'll see. I mean, it's brownies, but we're going to bake anyways, and I get brownies out of it, so I'm not going to complain. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm going to be blind and she's going to be deaf, and she's got to tell me how to do it without using her hand. She can't move anything. She can't touch anything. This is my cooking abilities while I'm blind and with her guiding me. So it could be fun. We'll see. But
yeah,
let's get into this.
awesome. You got this. I was gonna help. Judging my folding abilities.
No. Why are you looking at me like that?
Can you put it around your eye?
Yeah, I should, but I'm used to putting it up there. I mean, it's preheated.
I gathered.
Oh, this is not.
So we have all of our materials out.
Hello.
But I'm just going to be directing him to be filling up the amounts. And he's going to be able to ask me questions. I won't be able to hear him. So this could go good.
I'm excited.
All right, you want to put your glasses on so you can see better?
Yep, I know.
Put my headphones on. Goodbye.
Where'd the glasses go? I lost them. Oh, right there. Got them.
What?
Okay.
Okay, got my playlist going.
So you can't hear me at all?
I can hear you a little bit. Hold on. Talk?
What? Do you hear me?
What? All right. We're gonna get started.
Okay.
Set the oven to 350 for metal or glass pan. It's set. Don't touch it. Oh, I'm not supposed to touch.
Hey, get your hands out of
Whoops.
here.
For dark coated pan, set oven to 325. Coat the bottom of the pan with nonstick cooking spray. Grab the nonstick cooking spray.
I'm not deaf. Oh my word.
Nope. To your right.
Ooh.
More. Move more. To your. Yep. That. Yep. Right. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. And then aggressive. And then you gotta.
Oh. You gotta pump it. You gotta pump it.
Okay, I think that's probably good.
You never know. Okay.
Okay. Don't spray it in the air. My God.
I wasn't gonna do that. Where's the arrow?
Right. Yep, that's the front.
That
All right,
right?
and then you have to come to the oven to spray the pan.
Oh dear.
Yep. Not that direction though. Hold on. Yep. Keep spraying.
Because you didn't let me pump it.
What?
You gotta pump it so it has the pressure. I hate the sound of this.
I hate watching this.
Oh. Alright, let's see.
Okay. Yes. Maybe hold it like away from the thing. So that's like a spray. That's probably fine.
Set that there.
Grab the brush. It's on the yep, right there. Yep, perfect. And then you're gonna brush the oil. Just
Brush.
You don't have to sing. It's
I do.
okay.
Brushing. No, I don't want to sing.
Okay, that's good. Okay, go back to the. Oh my God. All right, put. Stop. Put the brush in the middle of the oven. There's a spoon holder. Left, all the way left. Right there is a spoon. Well, nope, left.
Well, found it.
Yep.
Got it. We're good.
Okay, leave the pan there and come back over to the island. All right, guys, welcome back.
Hello.
We're at the camera now. I can play my music again. I had to stop to film. Hold Hold on. Wait till I can't hear you anymore.
What?
Okay. You have to beat the water, oil, and egg in a medium bowl. So grab a bowl. Yep. And then put it in front of you. You need a 1/4 cup of water. So the second, second one.
That one?
And then walk over to the sink. Take
Good thing I know where the
like
sink is.
7 steps.
1, 2, 3. That would not have been 7.
I'm sorry, I take small steps. Okay. And then you need to fill that with water and then not spill it. Okay, yep. It's so full.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Hey, okay.
And then turn around and walk to the island very carefully and don't spill it. So the issue is that you're spilling it. You're so close. Yep. Like 2 more steps. Okay. And then there's the bowl. Yep. 1/4 cup of water in. Amazing job.
Success. Look at me go.
You need, oh my God, 2/3 cup of oil. So
Okay,
grab the other cup.
I don't need this one anymore.
Set it down. Yeah.
Got it. Cool.
Huh?
What? I got it.
You need 2 of those.
2 of these?
You need 2/3 cup
Where's
of
the oil?
to your right. Up. No, not that far right.
You said oh!
The big thing, right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Doing great. Opening this bad Jackson up.
Now, just a reminder that oil can go quick. So
Why is this not opening?
I can't help you.
There, I got it. We're good. Figured
Oh
it
my
out.
God, you're stressing me out.
What am I stressing you out about? It's okay.
Okay, you need 2 of those.
She didn't even answer my question. Okay, where's the top?
That's such a bad idea.
What? What are you talking
The
about?
angle that you had it at is gonna fall.
Well, I was gonna tilt it.
Okay, pour.
This is dangerous.
You got this.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Pour a little. Yep. Go. Yes. Pour it. Keep going. Hot so sweaty.
You yelled. I'm getting scared. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Right there.
Okay. You're doing so good.
Am I
not
really?
full yet.
Oh, come on.
Stop!
Ah!
Pour it in. You need another one. Up. Yep. Okay, you're doing so good. Keep going. Stop! Now you're good. Pour it in. Awesome! You did a really good job.
Yeah.
All right, put the cup down. And yeah. Yep. Now you need 2 eggs. You have to crack eggs. Oh, yes, put the lid on.
I'm not spilling this. This ain't happening.
Can I remove materials?
Sure.
No.
Oh, why is that slick?
That's what she said. Grab 2 eggs.
Kids channel.
They're gonna be wet.
What?
They're moist from condensation. Right. You found them.
Oh, they are wet.
Crack the huevos into the bowl.
Crack an egg?
Huh?
Bet you can't.
Crack it. There you go. Good job, buddy.
I'm an egg master cracker. Did I spill any?
I can hold the egg.
Got it. Cool. Good stuff. Good talk. Egg 2. We have an egg thing over there.
What?
Oh my word. You are a lot closer than I thought you were.
You did it.
Here you go. Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you. I have these now.
There's an egg thing over by the sink.
There's an egg thing by the sink. Those are Tide Pods. I found it. Do I wash them?
Yes.
Put them in the sink.
That works.
Awesome. I'm doing it, guys. I don't like not hearing things. I feel like I'm yelling.
You are absolutely yelling.
Huh?
Right. What's the next step here?
What? I can't hear you.
What do I do?
Oh! Beat it. The mixture. The mixture. Take the spatula in your hand.
Where's the spatula? I got it.
Beat the eggs. Could you go any faster?
How
please?
close are you? My word.
Go faster.
Get out of my face!
Faster. You want to whip it. Whip it like you're whisking.
Oh, I splashed. This is your fault.
Huh?
There's no powder in there. Why would I do this?
Move your hand so I can see.
Whisk.
Okay. You're done touching it gingerly now. I'm going to give you your next step. You're going to add the brownie mix and stir. Add the brownie mix and stir until blended. About 50 strokes. What? It says it on the box. I'm not just saying that. Spread into a pan.
Where is it?
You got this.
Got it. Right there.
There's also a bag inside that box.
I knew there was a bag.
Oh.
What?
You need skizzers.
No.
I got this.
I'm tough.
I can do this.
I'm tough.
No, I got this.
Look,
I'm
ready?
going to give you a knife.
I'm sorry. Did you say you're going to give me a knife? Okay, I'm not
I got you a
knife.
Do you want to use this?
Where is the blade? That's the blade? Is this a tiny knife?
That's the dull end. I'm going to move away from you.
Where is the sharp? Don't move away. I can't do any of this.
Huh? This is the dull.
This is the doll.
Up here is the point.
Okay.
So, yep.
Where is the
middle
point?
finger's in the way. Okay, you got it. You're doing amazing, Sweaty. I'm going to take the knife. Okay, pour that in to the bowl.
This smells so good.
You guys ever seen Schitt's Creek where they're folding in the cheese? This is what this is, but worse. I feel like Moira. You ever seen Schitt's Creek? Okay, well, whatever.
Trash.
I have a name!
Where's my spinner thing? Spinner?
Stir that together.
50 times. Got it. Spin.
50 strokes.
I didn't just make that joke.
You're supposed to count them out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that better for you?
Make sure that you're cleaning the sides so that you get all the, yeah. Kind of,
Dude,
yeah.
I'm like a pro at this. I should be hired as a.
What?
I can't say anything without her.
Do you think that you know this?
You.
Do you, what? Keep still! She's strong! Do you think you're so good at this because your wife makes brownies? Readers want to, or no, watchers want to know.
Readers?
Not the
I
readers.
don't-
This
I
isn't
don't make
Reader's
books.
Digest. I feel like it's been 50, but you're not mixed in.
Dude, why are you
clean
saying
the
this?
sides! You're missing such a big chunk. Yep, keep going. Yep, oh, you missed it. What? Keep going, okay, go. Yes, right there! Yes, okay, you're so close! Yes, I hate this. There's a big chunk right in front of where your stomach is. Yeah, right there. Sort of.
Did I make it worse?
That's a lot of uncooked batter. Or not uncooked batter, dry materials. Powder!
Oh my word, that's my ear hole.
What? Okay, now fold it. That looks great. Spread in the pan.
Where's pan? Where?
Behind you, where we put the pan.
Are you recording?
Oh, no. I don't. No. I am now.
I was gonna. Wait.
And the pan is behind you. Bring the bowl to the pan.
Why not bring the pan to the bowl?
It's easier.
Is it? I lost it. This is not gonna go well. Where is it?
Keep walking forward. That's the oil. Was the oil.
Found the pan. Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna pour that in and spread it around.
Am I on?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna miss so bad. This is.
No, you're doing great. You're doing fine. Huh?
I didn't say anything.
Huh? There's a lot at the bottom.
What do you mean?
You're hitting it now. Just make sure that you're cleaning it out. Don't waste any brownie mix.
I didn't plan on it.
I mean, oh no, we have to clean out the brownie bowl when we're done. Oh, shucks.
Am I still in the pan?
You are, yeah.
Am I missing a lot?
A little, yeah. Just.
Well, direct me.
I'm trying to, but so take the spatula and just wipe around the pan, like clean it out. Yeah, but like make sure that you're actually hitting the bowl and not just the air. Yeah, you're doing much better. Lift up the bowl though, because you're dipping it in the brownies. Okay, and then yep, scrape all of that. Yes, scrape into the thing.
Am I there yet?
No, you have a lot to go. Brownies take work! We should add chocolate chips. What? Keep scraping. Can I help?
No.
Oh.
Oh.
You're sort of close.
Oh, that was a big chunk.
Yep, not all of it though.
Come on.
You're like barely touching the bowl, and you just sort of like feather whispering it. You're not like getting in there. There you go. Put some elbow grease into it. These ain't your grandma's brownies.
Oh, my arm is
That would make a really dope t-shirt, by the way.
This ain't your grandma's brownies? New merch?
Huh?
New merch?
Huh?
I'm at word.
Oh my god. You're being such a baby about this.
Am I?
It would make really good merch, though. Not your grandma's brownies. Like right across the front of the brownie. What? Why are you laughing at me?
It's a little bit of pain, a little bit of laughter. It's all right. It's all good. Taz, why
You
are
have to
you
pee?
here? No, I don't have to pee. Oh, my heart.
I'm so confused.
Am I there yet? How close am I?
You're there enough. That's where
Okay.
we're landing it. I need chocolate chips.
Oh, jeez. What do I do with this?
Put that in the sink.
Is the cat here? Oh, I found the cat.
Walk. There's a cat in front of you.
Move, Taz!
Walk. Yep, walk. And then don't crush the eggs. Just gently. The lid.
Firmly grasp it.
Okay. And then on the counter. Nope, stop. Turn to your right. And then walk forward 2 paces.
That was one pace.
The second container on yep, nope, one more over to the left. Yep, that one has chocolate chips. Grab like a little bit and don't waste your wife's chocolate chips.
A little bit, really? Where's the brownies? Oh, jeez, what is that? Oh, it's the brownies. We're good. All's good, guys.
That oven's hot. I'm covering the mic. You're starting to spill that.
Well, what do I do with this thing?
Put that in the sink.
Dang,
I like
I'm
the
good.
confidence of which you
That
move.
was so scary.
And then sprinkle.
Yeah?
Yeah, go forward. Forward. Drop. Dribble them as you move it.
Dribble them.
Forward, 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 to the left, to the left, to the left.
How many did I miss?
To the left, to the left. Dribble a little bit, and then go down. Just keep going as you're moving, and then yep. And then to the right, and dribble just like a sprinkling to the right. Keep going as you, and then up a little bit. Beautiful, amazing. Have you done this before?
I can't right now.
What?
Oh, that was close.
Yeah, that's fine. Right there is good. Now you gotta put this in the oven. I have to pee.
Okay, in the oven. This could be dangerous.
You have to put the pan in the oven.
Okay, where's my mitts? Okay, bye.
What the f are you doing?
I want my mitts.
The pan is not hot yet.
But the oven is. My mitts.
You stress me out.
It didn't go on. There we go. Hey, friend.
Hi.
Help.
I'm trying to see how long you need.
I need
Okay,
to get
open
this
the
in
oven.
you.
Grab the pan. Up to your right. To your right. Yep, that's the pan. Yep, and then you're gonna put it in. That's an odd angle, but yeah. Up a little bit. Yep, right there. Yep, right there. Yep. Pop that bad boy in. Close the door. Don't burn yourself, for the love of God.
That's what these are for.
And you're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Hey, help!
Okay, stop. Yes, actually that one.
Really?
Well, go up a little bit. More to the right. To the right, yep, press. Oh God, and then move to the left. Not that far! Up one, yep, and then click. For a while, to 30. Stop! Go down 3. Move over to your right just a little bit. Yep. One, up a little more. Yep. Press it harder than you're pressing it. Okay, 33 minutes is what you're getting. It won't change. Nope, that's it. It's fine. It's fine. Can I take this off now?
So in 30 minutes, we'll see how things go. Okay, now you can.
Huh?
They're good.
Okay.
Brownies. They're ready. Get them.
Making space.
Drum roll.
It had to be angelic. Those look really good.
That actually looks really good.
Can you close the oven though, because it's really hot. Yeah, those look dope.
Y'all wanna see? You wanna see here? Damn, that looks good. All right, well, we're gonna enjoy this.
You guys are going to enjoy this.
Yes. Go ahead and check out whatever other videos we decide to click on and add at the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like and comment the word brownie if you made it this far. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red button, click it, send it to your grandparents, send it to your grandma, because these ain't her brownies, these are our brownies. Because we're awesome. Go team. And,
That was bad. Subscribe. Bye.